Perfect. Perfect.
Hey guys, good morning. This is my just wake up face, and I have a job. It's a makeup job, like a bridal party, but it's a small bridal party. It's near my house. I'm gonna get one ride, charter a taxi, because it's near. You know, I'm gonna really know where I go. I'm not riding there, so I'm gonna just go charter a taxi. Yeah, no, this is just a really quick one-day vlog to show you guys white polish, to show you guys my work for today, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. I think like the last one. I don't know, I'm like showing them work. With that said, follow the new YouTube channel NaturallyMsToya. I'm gonna have the link in the description bar. I forgot to put the link in the last description, but I'm not gonna forget again. And before we jump into the vlog, y'all already know, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I drop a brand new video, because I'm gonna just roll out them today, roll them right out. So I'm not dressed, I'm gonna go get ready. The taxi time comes 7:15 and it's like almost 7 o'clock. So I'm gonna go up and put on my clothes, put on like eyeliner, mascara, and some gloss, and I'm done. So yeah, see you guys when I'm done. Alright guys, so I'm dressed. I am now waiting on my edges to set. I'm gonna wait on the taxi. Oh, I'm gonna put on the eyeliner and the mascara. She'll come back. It's mother time.
Okay. Your mother's so dumb. She went to Dr. Dre for a pap smear. Oh, something's wrong, Dr. Dre. My coochie's doing a beatbox. Your mother's so old that her breast milk is powdered. You breastfeed like this.
Yo, that show you did it ill.
The coin salad, right?
Your mother's ass is so hairy, it looks like Don King's about to pop out and say, "All in America."
Your mother's so stupid that she goes into Gucci and she has to buy like Fendi stuff.
Hey, Heather, come on now, girl. Is this a way to speak to your party guests?
I forgot to video vlog too,
Wow.
man.
Brittany and Tiffany will? Yeah, well,
Me and the drive-thru guys, I try to get something to eat.
Yeah, I can see that.
But so we did do the calculations and say,
Take care.
yeah, but I would have my order, so Jesus Christ, man.
This is an outrage.
Believe you guys just did that to the Vandergelts. You know, they could take you off the scene just like that. Yeah, but it was so cool, you guys. So cool. For your image.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna go over there and introduce myself.
Guys, I actually have 4 eye. I mean, I want to wear my Oh my god, guys, I didn't get to do what I wanted to do, which was to capture me working. It was like such a rushy scenario because I did have a wedding and them did it, because she told me the wedding was going to be at 11 but it was actually at 10, and then, you know, but we made it work. Most people don't like cake faces, so that they kind of make it more easy, you know. But yeah, I guess that's it. I did not expect this vlog to be so short, but I need a stand for my room. I was thinking that I was gonna get footage of me trying to buy that, but I feel like I'm gonna see if I can get somebody to buy it for me. My elephant bracelet, Natural Glam Things, link in description. You know, easy peasy. My reach home now is like, see what time it is now, 11:09. So yeah, easy job. And you guys know by now I wear glasses in a real life, so that's why I decided to wear my glasses today. I hope you guys enjoyed this short vlog. The relevant links will be in the description bar below. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.